Oh yeah, right. Welcome back to AOB Motorworks. I just stopped filming the first part of this series 5 minutes ago. Not even. We are going to get straight into the power steering pump, which is right here. As I'm sure you're aware, this is a V-belt, like an actual literal. Oh, this needs changed right now. Okay, well, there it's flat. Jeez, I didn't realize this was so bad. Yeah, there's two teeth here to show you that it's a V-belt. That is incredible. There are so many teeth missing. Okay, that is very likely a product of oil being drenched everywhere. So, anyway, yeah. Let's stay on track here and I'll take that belt off soonish. Hold up. The AC is inside of the power steering. I thought it was outside of the power steering. Anyway, right. Back to it. The top bolt here is the pivot point, and where's my screwdriver so I don't have to put my fat meaty claws in the way. This doesn't help. I can't aim. This bolt here has a pivot point. So basically, I'm gonna loosen that one, and then do some of that, and the belt should fall right off. And come right off too, and then I can show you how terrible it apparently is that I didn't even realize. Given that this is completely covered in oil, I don't think I'm going to need any penetrant. These look like they might be 14, which I have somewhere. Did I put it away? I literally just used a 14. Is it on the ground? Where did I put it? Oh, I'm not going to be able to tell if it's on the ground, am I? Okay, not over there. I may as well pick these up now before I wonder where they are. So, 14? I literally used a 14. Just exactly the tools that we need. Just a couple minutes ago. Okay, well, that's good. I guess I'll just use my fingers. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure this fucking... Oh, there it is! Oh yeah, I put it over here when I got out the alternator from the wrong side of the car so you can see it better. Okay. So sure this is a 14. Oh yeah, that's fine. Oh, click. Well, I don't like it at all. Okay. Well, I guess I may as well use the tripod that I got. Actually, Charles got it for me, and I'm so grateful. I'm gonna have to clean my hands and stuff first. I know you guys are here for the how-to videos. Apparently my brain just had a problem, but anyway, I know you guys are here for the how-to videos, or the car content in general, but check this thing out. Look at this. Look at this. It's shiny. That's not the main reason I'm an excited person. This is a shutter release, which is awesome and useless, but I mean awesome, right? So that's cool. That is, I don't even know if I can make this work, but nonetheless, this is a thing that I just lubricated because it was not turning very well, but it's fine now. It literally, this is eye level. It's there, like magnificent, but it folds to like yay long, which is awesome. Also, despite being vintage as heck, get out of there, this comes off. Huh, hardly even blocks the microphone, I don't think. Threads into there. And now, I accidentally pressed the end record button, but anyway, and now, you're in place. I don't know how much the microphone is being blocked, but it's definitely less than other tripods, so fantastic. And there we are. a proper vantage point. What an advantage. Just gotta clean the probably Bakelite plastic over here. Okay, now the effective reason that you're on the tripod instead of not is because I think we're gonna need a little bit of back and forth action here. Oh, there we go. Not as much as I feared. Back and forth will save your ass though. So you want to use it when you have the slightest indication that you should. Gonna need a long 14. Shallow 12 is over here, I think. You're so shallow. Can't believe how shallow this 12 is. Okay. That is indeed a 12. Come on, give me a click. There we go. Going the other way achieved. Come on now. On the bolts. Tend to be terrible. It's the worst part of the car. Gosh darn bolts. Broke the thermostat housing bolt just by like okay, so that's loose, that's loose. Shove this over here. Oh. Turn it up. Well, what we can do is let's see. Oh, also I took this hose off. I don't think I needed to. Loosen it a little more. I don't know. Oh, it's a weird backwards. Why do you rotate this way kind of thing? Okay. Holy shit. Yeah, this must have happened. I don't know if you guys can see it. This must have happened pretty recently because don't remember the belt bouncing around when it was on idle. Wow. Don't let your belts look like this, kids. I feel like my saying is going to have to be do what I say, not as I, or do what I say. Yeah, do what I say, not as I do. Do what I do, not as I say. Just don't listen to me at all. Yep. So, old belt, garbage. Now, hopefully I'm in the frame. That's it, I guess. That's been a new installment of ALB Motorworks. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute video. I don't feel like I need to show you very much more. I guess I'll go underneath. How about that? We'll go under the car. I love this tripod. It's so good. Go under the car. Just break all of your... Oh my god. Almost kicked the tripod over with my knee. I think that's called kneeing something. So, this here, right here, seeing as this is the AC belt, that means that this is the power steering belt. Pulley at any rate. So you want to put your power steering pulley around there and then shoot it upward. But you could probably, I'm sure you can snag that on from up here. Just be carefuling and double check your alignment after. This is a V belt, like an actual V that is a belt. It's pretty impressive. One of the last cars probably that even has one. Now the AC, that'll be the next video. So as I had said, tune in next time. I'm falling over, but that's pretty normal. Tune in next time for all this nonsense. I feel like this should be a little lower. Really. Tune in. We're doing a timing belt.